Hello, my name is Brian, and I'm one of the attorneys here at Fidelity Law. Clients often come into my office with a concern that their creditors may be able to seize their assets. I explain to clients that generally a creditor must first obtain a court order and obtain a lien on personal property. Without this court order, the creditor simply can't seize your assets. However, one major exception to this rule exists when a debtor voluntarily creates a lien in certain property in favor of the creditor. This type of voluntary lien is known as a lien by consent, and it's very easy to create. Anytime a debtor wants to create a voluntary lien on personal property, the process is governed by UCC Article 9. UCC is the Uniform Commercial Code, and Article 9 is a very long statute, but basically there are three issues within this statute. One is how the lien is created. The second is what rights are granted to the creditor. And the third is what impact a voluntary lien has on others who may later seek to obtain a lien on the same property. Generally, a lien can be created by any written agreement and can actually even be included within the body of a larger agreement. The language of the agreement simply needs to state that the debtor is creating a lien in favor of the creditor and specify the personal property in which the lien is being created. It's really that simple. These voluntary liens can be very, very broad. In fact, they can be created for both current and later acquired personal property. The language can also be written to not only include credit which is extended at the time that the lien is created, but also to any credit that's later extended to the debtor, regardless of how or when it's extended. The second inquiry is, what are the rights to the creditor? Basically, Article 9 of UCC gives the creditor the right to seize the property without any further action or notice. This can often take a debtor by surprise, especially if they don't really realize that they've granted the lien. The third topic of discussion in UCC Article 9 is what impact a voluntary lien will have on others who later seek to gain a lien on the very same property. Essentially, the first lien to attach has priority over the later created liens. However, there are a significant number of exceptions and other rules that govern the priority of liens, particularly with respect to different types of liens and how and when the Article 9 lien is noticed to the public. So, UCC basically gives creditors and debtors the right to create and establish virtually any type of lien they may desire. And it gives broad rights to the creditor in terms of seizure of the property. The trouble is that often the creditor is far more savvy than the debtor. So the debtor may have no real understanding of what they're agreeing to. This can cause real problems for the debtor down the road if they default, because the creditor really holds all the cards. So if you're entering into a credit arrangement with a creditor, please just make sure that you understand the fine points of the agreement that you're making. A bit of careful analysis up front can help you avoid significant troubles down the road. Good luck, and have a great day.